It was 2:13 a.m. The world was quiet. But her mind wasn't. Emma sat on the edge of her bed, staring at her phone. Waiting for a message that never came. No notifications. No calls. Just silence. And sometimes, silence hurts more than words ever could. A few months ago, everything felt different. She had plans, dreams, people she trusted. She used to laugh a lot. She used to believe that things would work out. But life has a strange way of changing without warning. The same people she trusted the most slowly became strangers. The same conversations that once meant everything turned into cold, one-word replies. And then, nothing at all. And that's the hardest part, isn't it? Not the ending. But the confusion before it. The, what did I do wrong? The, why me? The overthinking. The sleepless nights. That night, something shifted. Emma looked at herself in the mirror. Really looked, for the first time in a long time. And she asked herself one simple question. Am I really this weak? Or have I just been giving my strength to the wrong people? That question changed everything. The next morning, nothing around her had changed. Same room. Same phone. Same life. But something inside her was different. She stopped waiting for messages. Stopped chasing people. Stopped explaining herself to those who never tried to understand. Instead, she started showing up for herself. Little by little. She read more. Worked on her goals. Took care of her mind. And for the first time, she chose herself. Days turned into weeks. And weeks into months. The pain didn't disappear overnight. But it got quieter. Manageable. And one day, she realized something powerful. She wasn't broken. She was rebuilding. The same girl who once cried herself to sleep now sleeps in peace. The same girl who felt lost now walks with purpose. And maybe you're in that same place right now. Maybe you're lying awake at night, wondering why things turned out this way. If that's you, listen carefully. This is not the end of your story. This is the part where you grow. Because sometimes, life removes people from your life. Not to hurt you, but to make space for the version of you that's finally ready to rise. So take a deep breath. Wipe your tears. And remember, you're not starting over. You're starting stronger.